Good morning, everyone. Today, in this particular example, we are going to see the use of Stringify method, right? So here is the syntax of Stringify method, and what Stringify method will do, it converts the JavaScript object into the JSON string, right? So suppose, say, for example, if you have one JavaScript object like name Peter, age 22, and country United States, right? So we are going to store these particular values in one JavaScript object. Now we want to convert JavaScript object into JSON string, right? So for that we have a stringify method. So JSON.stringify you have to write, and you have to pass the value of JSON JavaScript object over here, and that will be stored in the form of JSON string, right? So after that, you can print that value with the use of write document.write and JSON. So if you execute this code, so you will see that this particular thing will be there. So this is our JSON string. Okay. So this is about the stringify method, right? And again, suppose if you want to print the individual values of JavaScript, means convert JSON string to JavaScript object and access the individual values. So here one another example I have written that it stores the JSON data in JavaScript variables like this. So this is the same example in our previous video, right? But the values are different. Now we are using parse method. Okay, so what it will do, it will convert JSON encoded string to JavaScript object. So here is the use of parse method, right? So if you want to parse, if you want to convert JSON encoded string into the JavaScript object, then you have to use a parse method. So here, after storing the value in the JavaScript object, how you can access that individual value? So you can write document.write obj dot the property name. So name, age, country, United States, right? So in my previous video, we have used a book object, right? But here we are going to use a simple string, right? So here you can see that obj dot name, obj dot age, obj dot country, right? So once you write this code and execute in a browser, then it will return the values like this. It will return the name, age, and the country, right? So this is the use of parse method and stringify method in JSON. Okay, guys, thank you.